Hi. So we have come for the training in Bangalore. We were at Travel Adventure Cafe, but I was really hungry at 1 p.m. So हमने एक अजीत ने मुझे एक नई जगह बताई. So hotel Halli Nanasu, and we have come over here. And let me show you how the whole setup is. Guys, so here's the food. This is
Nati kori fried.
nati
Chicken fried.
nati chicken fried, and this is ragi balls, and that's the boys. And Ajit told me that this is very spicy, so I will try. So guys, here is my setup. What I do when I reach a hotel, the first thing that I do is remove all of the gear. So let me show you. So here's my bag. In hot weather riding, I carry this cooling towel. That's Ulka Hackett jacket, hydration bladder. Now the interesting things, knee brace. So I have had my fair share of injuries, so I keep wearing my knee brace. This contains all of the rain gear, so just in case if it rains I can wear it on top. Here's my riding pant. So this is the BMW rally pants which I got from the GS Trophy 2020 as a marshal, and still running strong. This belt comes as a part of it, so I will put this. And this is the rally jacket. This also is the same set which I got. And here is the last piece of the thing, which is the boots. So that's it. I have some spare laundry towels which I have some spare laundry bags which I use to put things which are dirty or even clean, to separate them. Couple of things: carry few poly bags which can be reused to set up soiled stuff. Some poly bags, and a TP comes in handy. Yeah, that's the typical set for my riding gear. Hi guys, so today I'm in Bangalore at the BMW Motorrad GS experience training. I'm doing the training with the bunch of 310 GS boys over here. There's a big lot over here, and the objective is to up their games so that they are ready for competitions that we plan to do soon. And today we started with the briefing, and now we have adjusted the motorcycle to the rider. So when I'm saying adjusting the motorcycle to the rider, here are the things that we have done. We have reduced the tire pressure a bit so that they get some good grip, although these tires don't need additional grip because these are dual purpose tires. We have removed the rubber mount from the foot peg, and on my motorcycle I have moved the brake gear lever up. We have also removed the rear view mirrors from here, and because this was a new model and I do some shots for the camera person, so what I have done is I have removed the ABS plug as well, which I'll put it back later. So I'll keep you posted on the next set of exercises. Okay, guys, so now we are doing enduro steering exercises, and all of the participants are moving around, and these are coming back over here. There's one section that we have created over that side, and then there is one section which we have created over here, and you need to weave around and steer the motorcycle. So now we'll move into the next exercise, which is riding in circle with full steering lock on this whole section. Leg bend करो. Left leg तो बिल्कुल straight है आपकी. So right now we are doing riding in circle with full steering lock, and we are doing the right turns right now. Very nice. Good body position. Well done. Parallel log exercise. Participants are coming in. Yes. Brilliantly done. So look at this. Relax and go. Paddle out, paddle out. Momentum, stand up. Yes. Look ahead, look ahead. Why are you looking here? Faster, faster. Very nice. Very nice. So he managed with the clutch. Yeah. Very nice. Good one. Faster, faster. So we are back after the session, and now we are taking the lunch break, and everyone is going inside the cafe. And just to remind you, we are at Tribal Adventure Cafe, and so the next set of exercises that we are going to do is incline stall and recovery, short climbs, short downhill, and then braking exercises. These are the exercises that we are scheduled. My objective is to finish all of these exercises by 4 p.m. so that we can do some really engaging stuff with all our participants, and hopefully everyone would enjoy the day. So I'll share with you all those. So now we are doing, keep looking ahead, keep looking ahead. Now we are doing the incline stall and recovery exercise. Keep looking ahead. Yes. So he's going behind. Now plan your turn as well. Put all the weight this side, on the inside. Yes. Yes. Keep looking ahead. Don't look behind. If you look ahead, no, keep looking ahead. Yes. Keep looking ahead. Very nice. And that was the exit. Yes, stand up. Stand up. Yes. Stand up, Baba. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Yes. See? Press clutch and start. Stand up, look ahead. Why are you sitting? So, riders are going ahead. Yes. So they are doing the rear brake only braking exercise right now. After this, we will do the front and rear combined, and that's how we will end the formal exercises for today. So with this, today's braking exercise is done and the official training is done.